Friends, today we are here for talk on various topic, but my topic name is corruption. Friend, do you know in today's time every country face big issue, that is corruption. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Because in today's time every country growth and development totally depends on corruption. So that's why it is a very dangerous for every country growth and development. And I assume that corruption is not just a thing. Corruption is like a beetle, and they eat our country growth and development slowly. That's why it is in today's time it is a very bad thing for us. We do corruption at a home, means from bottom of our home, and it is a very bad. And many people and corruption is happen just because we want some monies, our extra means on behalf of our salary, and it is a very bad because most of the time corruption is start very common thing, that is bribe, and most of the people in nowadays take bribe. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes. So that's why we should need to minimize the this bad thing, and that's why I will later discuss some important points for stop corruption. Government also do for some activities for stop corruption, but most of the time people don't aware what exactly impact on us corruption. So that's why people don't interfere in others like sometimes any person take a bribe to others. That time nobody asks to them, oh, why are you give bribe, because people think that it is not our matter. So that's why people don't interfere this life, and it is a very bad. So that's why, and that's most of the people take bribe just because they don't receive too much money from their boss, their company, and that's why they find other way to how to get more much money for on extra salary, because in today's time expenses are very high other than our income. So that's why people find other way to earn some monies, and that's why government should in today's time government should give sufficient amount of salary to their employees, and also government make rules and regulation for stop corruption, and those person not follow these types of things, definitely government should be strict action on them, because it is a very need, because people when people punish, then people definitely realize what exactly thing they do wrong, and it is a very bad. And third point is most common to stop corruption, that is we can plant the cameras on workplaces, because most of the people feel fear of catch on the camera, and that's why many people don't take a bribe on workplaces, and definitely corruption is minimized. And in today's time we do these activities, and in today's time we need to individually we do some activities for stop corruption, because when we start ourselves, then definitely one day corruption is stopped. So that is my point on this topic. So thanks.